Hey everyone, it's Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for practical and versatile Excel tools. Every week, we aim to bring you a new tool to help make your tasks easier. For over 16 years, we've been creating Excel-based tools, and during that time, we've built over 50 of them, helping more than 7,500 happy customers streamline their processes, save time, and reduce human error. Every week, we receive emails about how our tools have made a difference in your day-to-day work. Those messages motivate us to keep building and improving. So, thank you for sharing your feedback. Keep it coming. Today, we're excited to introduce a unique tool, the Store Finder app in Excel. To the best of our knowledge, this is the only tool of its kind in Excel, perfect for matching customers to the nearest store or service provider based on location. Without further ado, let me show you how it works. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. All our tools are built entirely in Excel, so there's no need to install anything extra. You'll just need the desktop version of Excel and a Google Maps API key to get started. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. We've created a step-by-step video to guide you through setting it up in just a few minutes. Now, let's show you what the Store Finder app in Excel can do. Imagine you have a list of customers and a list of stores. This tool will automatically match each customer to the closest store using location data. First, we go to the Customers tab. Enter your customer list, including their addresses. Adding customer names is optional, but helpful. Then, in the Stores tab, add your store list with their addresses. Store names are also optional, but can make it easier to read the results. Don't worry about the lat long. The tool will automatically generate those for you. Once you've done that, click the Calculate button, and the tool does the work for you. As you can see here, the tool provides us the closest store for each customer, straight line distance in miles, driving distance in miles, and driving time in minutes. In here, we can see that customer 1 is closest to store 10, and the tool shows that store 10 is 10.1 miles away in a straight line distance, 14.3 miles by driving distance, and will take 17 minutes to reach. Customer 2 is closest to store 6, customer 3 to store 15, and so on and so forth. Whether you're working with 10 customers or 10,000, the process is just as simple and accurate. What sets us apart is not just our tools, but the support we provide. If you have questions or need help, you can contact us directly by phone or email. And yes, when you call, you'll speak to a real person from our team. No answering services, no callbacks. Many of our clients are surprised when someone actually picks up the phone, but we believe in providing the best service possible. You can also reach out to us via chat on our website. You'll be talking to a real person, not a bot. Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to try the Store Finder app in Excel, click the link in the description to download it. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to stay updated on new tools. Until next time.